Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the breathtaking land of Switzerland. Switzerland is located in the heart of Europe, bordered by France, Germany, Italy, Austria, and Liechtenstein. It is famous for its stunning Alps, crystal clear lakes, and world-class quality of life. Home to about 9 million people, Switzerland covers over 41,000 square kilometers, small in size but mighty in beauty and innovation. The capital city, Bern, is known for its medieval charm, while Zurich and Geneva shine as global centers for finance, diplomacy, and culture. Switzerland's economy is one of the strongest in the world, built on banking, precision engineering, chocolate, and watchmaking. It is also home to the headquarters of many international organizations. Tourists flock to experience the beauty of the Matterhorn, the calm of Lake Geneva, and the adventure of skiing in Zermatt and Interlaken. Known for its neutrality, safety, and peaceful living, Switzerland stands as a symbol of balance between nature and progress. With its snow-capped peaks, precision, and timeless beauty, Switzerland truly is the heart of Europe.